So today we'll be learning how to repot a plant. So to even start, you need to get a few items before starting the potting. First, you're going to need a plant you're going to want to repot. This is the plant we're going to be repotting here. A pot to put it in. So this is this nice pot to put it in. You got a pair of gloves right here. They are advised. A cup filled with water, like this. And then we got a trowel right here to help scoop up the soil, which is right here. We're going to be using to fill up. So the first thing you need to do is put on your gloves. Because if you don't want to get dirty, these are very much helpful. So you just go like this, and then like this, and then you got that first step done. Right there. See? And now we're gonna be wanting to get this pot ready for the plant, okay? So we're gonna get this pot, liquid soil out. We're gonna be putting this soil here. We're gonna be putting it in. We're gonna be taking it out of its pot like this. Squish it up a bit so you can see how the soils are compressed. That'll help it so it can get used to its new pot. We're gonna actually put this, and we're gonna take this pot right here, use it to squish it in as a measurement, you could say, to measure how much you need to put in. So we're just gonna, you can use your trowel, but I like to use my hands just to put it around and get it in. You're just gonna go scoop it up until it's all filled in at the sides. We got this. That is all squished up now. We're gonna be placing it in like that. And then now, do you see how we're gonna do it and try to level it out a bit? We're gonna level it out a bit by placing some more. You want to be careful not to get any on the leaves, and then just keep it around, pressing it a bit. Just move this out of our ways. We're gonna be using the water to compress it all together and compress all the finely repotted plant, all ready to be placed at your home or outside your home, wherever you like it to be. And it can grow. You can do the same thing if it gets too big for the next pot. So have a good rest of your day. I hope you do good on repotting your own plant. And bye.